How to Get a Loan from NayaPay, Accurate 2025 Guide. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more financial app tutorials. If you're looking for a loan option inside the NayaPay app and can't find it, here's the real and accurate explanation. Important truth. 2025, NayaPay currently does not offer a direct personal loan or borrowing feature inside the app. Unlike some banks or microloan apps, NayaPay does not have a built-in loan service that you can apply for through the app dashboard. That means there is no loan or borrow money section in NayaPay. You cannot request money directly from NayaPay. You will not find loan options in KYC or wallet menus. If you're seeing outdated videos or posts claiming a loan feature, those are not correct or are from older tests that never launched fully. So what is NayaPay used for? NayaPay is a financial wallet and payments app. You can send and receive money, add money to your wallet, pay bills, use a virtual card, link cards and accounts, save money and track transactions. But loans are not part of the app's official features as of 2025. What you can do instead, if you want financial support or credit solutions. 1. Use earned credit cards or bank loans. Apply for a personal loan or credit card from a bank or licensed lender. And 2. Use Buy Now, Pay Later (BNPL) services. Some apps allow installment payments for purchases, but these are separate from NayaPay. 3. Use other loan-enabled apps. In Pakistan, some regulated services provide quick personal loans, but make sure they are official fintech or bank partners. Important note, do not trust videos apps claiming NayaPay personal loan inside the app. Do not share sensitive info with unknown loan services. Always use official, regulated financing platforms. Final summary. NayaPay currently does not offer loans. The app is for payments, wallet, and transfers. Loan features you see online are likely incorrect or outdated. If this cleared your confusion, like the video, subscribe and comment "cleared" below so I can make more accurate guides for you.